Look, Ma, I'm doing HVAC. It's brutal up here, right? Dion?
Yeah.
Oh! Fuck, man. Careful with the roofing nails. I just broke that. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna get out of here alive today, but I'm trying.
You want it tucked up here or to the left?
Like, you could give it to me right here.
You need a 45 and a 90?
A 45 and a 90, yes.
Yeah, stick your...
Oh man, it's tough up here. It's tough up here, man. You got this. Come on. Come on. ¿Qué pasó, Marlon? Yo, ahora mismo no me hable, por favor. No matter what, I still love my job. There's some challenges throughout the day, each day. It don't matter, you just keep overcoming them, keep working, and good things will come to you naturally.
I love you, Joe.